Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI avatar generator on the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Vidnoz AI website, and after going there, what we have to do simply we have to create our account on this website. And after creation of account, simply we have to go to this option which is called AI tools option. And then simply we have to go to this option which is called AI avatar generators, and then we have to open this in a new link. So as you can see, I've already opened it. Now let's move to this option, and now as you can see, what we have to do simply we have to describe the avatar. If you want to describe your avatar, you can also do that. AI to text speech, you can also do that. AI talking avatar, these all options are provided here. Now for example, I'm going to like the male or female, you can choose that. The female, for example, I'm going to choose the female one. And now for example, I'm going to write the simple, and then simply we have to click on the generate avatar. And after clicking on the generate avatar, you will be able to see the four results here. And after that, you can choose whatever you want. And after that, you have to choose that which one you want. So as you can see, the first one is generated here, and some others will be generated. So in this way, you can generate your AI avatars. If you want to download this, you have to click on this, and you will be able to download this. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can generate the AI avatars on the Vidnoz AI website. So see you guys in the next video.